How to change age in Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your age or how you can change your birth date on Instagram. Well, changing your age basically means changing your birth date, right? So let me guide it through pretty quick here. First things first, open up Instagram and log into your account. Then you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you want to tap on the hamburger icon that will come at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're here, you can see the account center option. Simply tap on it. Once here, you can see the personal details option under account settings. So you tap on it, and then you can see the date of birth. You want to tap on it, and then once you tap on it, you want to simply tap on edit. Then you can go ahead and edit your birth date. So this is how you can easily change your age or change your birth date on your Instagram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.